Hello guys, so I'm back again with another update about Realme Watch S Pro. We will talk about specifications, design, price and much more about it, so keep watching till the end. Realme showcased a myriad of upcoming batch products at its first ever IFA 2020 event. One of the most eye-grabbing products was the Realme Watch S Pro with its Samsung Galaxy Watch-like circular design. The Chinese giant did not disclose anything about this smartwatch except for that it will arrive in Q4 2020. We have today learned almost everything there is to know about the Realme Watch S Pro. First spotted by My Smart Price, the Realme Watch S Pro has been certified by the FCC today. It shows off live images of the watch alongside the charging cradle and the user manual. The latter reveals all of the specs and features of this upcoming smartwatch. It also explains how to wear and use the watch properly. Now let's talk about the design of the Realme Watch S Pro. This smartwatch will include a circular AMO LED display up top and a number of sensors and pogo pins for charging at the bottom, protruding out from the right edge of Realme Watch S Pro. They will enable you to control the smartwatch, which might be powered by Google's Wear OS. You can also see the charging cradle for the watch in the image. The live images not only show off the exterior but also gives us an interior view of Realme Watch S Pro. You can clearly see the PCB board, heart rate sensor, rotation motor and a tiny battery. The straps can be detached from the body via the same mechanism as the original Realme watch, which launched in India earlier this year. Now let's talk about the specifications and features of Realme Watch S Pro. Realme Watch S Pro will include a 1.39-inch AMO LED panel with a 454x454 resolution. It's a circular touch display that looks pretty good in the images. The smartwatch will have a heart rate sensor and accelerometer to track steps, sleep patterns, calorie count, and heart rate. It will also support built-in GPS, GLONASS for connectivity, and a host of other sensors such as gyroscope, ambient light sensor, and more. The smartwatch will also come equipped with the 420 mAh battery. It will connect to your smartwatch over Bluetooth and sync data with the Realme Link app, but the iOS app is under development. The software features appear to be pretty much the same as the existing Realme watch. You will get app and call alerts, auto exercise tracking, camera and music controls, and much more in tow. Now let's talk about the price and availability. There is currently no information on the price and availability of the Realme Watch S Pro. The Chinese giant has only confirmed that it will arrive in Q4 2020, which means we can expect a launch very soon. It will surely come to India as the elder sibling to the original Realme watch, which was also its first attempt at making a smartwatch. So this is all we have got for now. Subscribe to this channel to get more updates about the Realme Watch S Pro. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one. Peace out.